Very fine, good morning. Now the last CRUD activity, which is called as delete activity. So inside that code, similar way, we will write a method that is app.delete of. So the method is /my-to-dos /my-to-dos/:id. So we're passing a parameter as id. Based on that, which will delete that row. So asynchronous activity. So similar to the same. So parameters are request and response. Now which tends to open a curly brace. Inside that, we will open try catch block. Message. Now save the file. Entire things which works fine. Now inside that, we will type constant id, which is equal to request.params. Then await. Similar way, pool.execute the query. So pool.query of delete from table name my-to-do, delete from table name my-to-do, where id equal to $1, comma, inside square bracket you can specify id. Reply response.send deleted successfully. Now save that file. So just this code app.delete my-to-dos :id, then request/response, then you can delete that code. Now you can go to Postman, then create a new API request, HTTP request, choose the method as delete method, http://localhost:3002/the IDS3. Now you can click on send. So deleted successfully. Now for verification, I will go to all to-dos, sent. So only 2 data are available, third data was deleted. So this is what the simple delete activity was executed in Express.js. So the complete CRUD activity, initially for insert, next for get by ID and get all, next for update, now for delete. So my-to-dos, which get all those value, my-to-do/id of get, which will get by ID, then delete for delete by ID, put for put by ID and update the description, then post for inserting the description into new serial number. So this is what the database is ready in Postgres, then API is ready in Express.js. So for a database as well as backend part was ready. Now next part we will see how to create a React app. Thanks for watching. Thank you.